As many of you know, I'm from a little but amazing island in the Caribbean called Cuba. I was born in that island and passed my youth in there. Even when life was hard, we always had hope that the new year would bring something better, something special and meaningful into our lives. So we always waited for that New Year's Day to celebrate it like it was the beginning of the good things to come. And as a kid, I was always in the mix of getting ready for this special moment when the pig was getting ready to roast and the entire family started getting together to celebrate and have a good time. Those are my memories and they became part of what I am today. And the reason why we wanted to share this dish with you that celebrates family and bring people together for good times and hope. You should know that this New Year's Eve day, me, like many other Cubans, will be doing the same dishes, waiting for those great things the new year will bring. Now let's get into the video. Woo, baby! Today I'm really excited, guys. Today we have something that definitely bring everything into my heart. We're gonna have roasted pork, Cuban style.
Cuban style.
Baby, this is gonna be a good one. I hope you guys like it because this is awesome. As always, I'm gonna be filming. Miss Ninja is gonna be cooking. The other ninja is gonna be doing everything else. Let's go for it.
Well, guys, I am so excited today because what we're gonna cook today brings so many beautiful memories to my papi. So let's do the same thing like always. Let's go ahead and preheat our Ninja for 5 minutes. Press start and let's set it up for 5 minutes. I'm gonna start doing something and in 5 minutes I'll be right back. We're going to use very simple ingredients. First of all, we're gonna need here what is called sour orange. We need about 2 cups of it. Then we're gonna use some cumin, a tablespoon. We're gonna use some oregano, another tablespoon of oregano. We're gonna use some salt, a tablespoon and a half. And we're gonna need 2 cloves of garlic. And we have our garlic here. Just put them in pieces. So let's mix everything together. Okay, so we have our beautiful piece of pork here. And what we're gonna do is very simple. Just gonna poke some holes around the meat so we can marinate it and put the garlic in there so it'll give it more flavor. Turn them around. Make some holes in here too. Let's go ahead and marinate our pork. Remember where you make those little cuts, stick the garlic in there so we can get all that flavor. Let's do this side. Let's turn them around and do the same thing. This side. You see the little holes? We're gonna put the garlic in there. And voila! We're done. Let's go ahead and put it in a Ninja. By the way, don't put anything on top of the skin. That's the trick. So this allows us then to make our skin crispier. So let's go ahead and go to our Ninja. We're gonna set up our Ninja. We're gonna use the grill. Set up your pork in here. Put him in it. There we go. And we're going to pour the remaining of our marinade. Let's go ahead and pour. Listen, listen, listen. Can you hear that? Shh. And we're also going to put 3 bay leaves. 1, 2, and 3. And now we're going to set up our Ninja in our pressure cooking mode. So let's go ahead and set it up. Pressure, high, and we're gonna leave it in there for about 20 minutes and press start. I'll see you back in 20 minutes because I'm taking care of something else. See you right back. Our 20 minutes already passed by. Let's go ahead and open our lid. Oh, look how beautiful. That is just gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. This is what we're gonna do. It's pretty much done. So the second step is gonna be roasting. Okay guys, the time passed by. So let's go ahead and open our Ninja and get our pork out. It smells unbelievable. Oh my God, look at that, how beautiful. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. There we go. Oh my gosh.
Well, guys, I mean, these look and smell awesome. There is no other way to describe this thing. This thing is amazing. I mean, look at this. You hear that?
It's so crunchy, crunchy.
You hear that? All right, boys and girls, are you ready for this one? I'm so ready for this one, so pumped. Let's do it. Also, I wanted to add, this is a 5-pound piece. Maybe if it's smaller than this, it will be less time. It's for you guys to check. I'm ready to try it, guys. This is too much.
Yes, it's
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Ooh.
Look at this, how juicy.
Really tender.
I mean, it's so tender. And this is my favorite part. This is my favorite part. And I want people to listen to it.
Oh, man.
Listen to it. It's so crispy. There's no
That skin is good.
It's so good.
The flavor is awesome. It's tender. Really, really nice consistency on the flavor all across the meat. Look at that.
Chicharrón. I know in the comments a lot of people have asked if we're sponsored by the Ninja FOODI. We're not. Listen, if you have a pressure cooker out there, doesn't matter what brand it is, use it. If you don't have one, use your stove. Or if you have an air fryer, use your air fryer and use your pressure cooker together. It doesn't matter. As long as you do it with love, it's gonna come out like this.
Oh yeah.
Look at this crunchy thing.
Let's try the yuca.
Wow.
Yeah, we made the sauce to put on top of the yuca out of the same juices that come out of the meat. And that flavor is undescribable, guys.
Unbelievable.
That is a unique flavor. You cannot, if you get anything, you get butter, you get olive oil, you get whatever you want. But if you get pork fat, that's awesome.
The best.
The best.
So how is it, man?
No, this thing is awesome, brother.
Look, if I would have done this in a regular oven, this is 5 pounds of pork, it would have taken me anywhere between 3.5 to 4 hours.
Yeah.
And we literally did this in 1 hour and 10 minutes. So it does save you a lot of time. I wouldn't look like this. The oven.
Glamorous.
Oh, glamorous. Why? Because the kitchen gets so hot because of the oven. And that's why I really love cooking with pressure cookers and air fryers.
Alright, let's do the main test. I have everything here, let's go for it.
How is it?
This thing is delicious, brother. Oh, sorry, Mr. Georgie.
There we go.
Mr. Georgie is complaining here again. What's going on? You want to say hello? Hello. Mr. Georgie is ready to try that lechon right there.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure he's going to have a lot of fun with it.
The most that impressed me, seriously, this. Listen to this.
It's impressive because that's not something that it's really easy to do.
No.
That's not something that you get every time.
Mm-hmm.
It's something that happened, and when it happens, it's really good.
Can I get a little piece?
Huh?
That's my favorite part.
Yeah, of course.
Oh.
Alright guys, that's all for today. We hope you liked the video. We hope you learned something new. This is a really, really Cuban thing. In Puerto Rico they do something similar, but normally they do it with arroz con gandules, which is another grain instead of beans. And it's awesome. So if you like it, please hit us with a like.
Yes.
If you want to see more videos like this one, just subscribe to the channel. We're trying to bring new recipes, new ideas, and we're bringing pretty much all our knowledge on the kitchen and everything for you guys to learn and to enjoy it. And if you have anything in mind, anything you have to say, please put it down there in the comments. We answer all the comments. We always try to keep in track with you guys, and it's a pleasure for us to deal with you. So that's all for today. And remember that I love you.
And we love you.